lọ́la kó bá yà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Aláràgbà yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn.
In today's video, I want to explain how to use this symbol. How to use this symbol. You know, in my previous video, I explained the same symbol. You understand? You know, I told you to place sugar on the middle of that symbol. You understand? If you want people to remember you for good, you understand? You want people to call you for good. Those your brothers that promised you a long time ago. But this one is totally different. You understand? You want God to put light in your life. You understand? The darkness that those wicked people, the darkness that they have used to cover your glory. You want God to put light on your matter. Are you with me? So what you need is salt, and you need a white candle. You need 4 candles. You understand? You see the symbol displayed on the screen. That is what you will write on the floor. You understand? You will write it on the floor or on the tiles with you can use chalk, white chalk, or you can use a white marker. Are you with me? You write it on the floor. I think you can see it displayed on the screen. That is what you are going to write. But the corner of the symbol, the corners, those corners is where you place the candle, and you put salt in the middle of that symbol. Are you with me? Believe me, if you try this simple assignment, if you try it today, in the night before you sleep, that day, believe me, people will remember you good. People will remember you for good by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective, only if you follow the instruction. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu, or Latiboy, also known as Babu Angel. If this is your first time here, everything I do is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, feel free to call me on the 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So in today's video, I want to explain how to use the symbol displayed on the screen to attract a favor, blessing into your life. Believe me, it works perfectly. Are you with me? If you want God to put light on the darkness that those witches, those your village enemies, the darkness that they use to cover your glory. When you try this simple assignment, God is going to put light on your matter. Are you with me? I want you to try this simple assignment. By the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. So what you need salt, and you need white candle, 4 white candle. Are you with me? I think you can see the image of the symbol displayed on the screen. Where are you going to place the candle? At the 4 corner of the symbol. Are you with me? The first, second, third, and fourth. Now put salt on the, in the middle of that symbol. Are you with me? You light the candle and you keep saying, you keep saying your intention. Are you with me? You pray, you know the reason why you are doing it. Are you with me? So after your prayer, you allow the candle to burn down completely. You allow the candle to burn down completely. You can leave the candle and go and sleep. You understand? That is why you need to do it on the floor or on the tiles. You understand? Please don't do it on the rug. Don't do it on the table. You can only place it, you can only do it on the floor. You can only do it on the floor. You understand? You light the candle, you put the salt at the middle of the symbol and you light the candle. You keep saying your intention. You ask God, you pray to God to put light on your life. Those darkness that those witches and wizards, or those magicians, they cover you with darkness. You want God to remember, you want people to remember you. Ask God to put light on your in your life. Are you with me? So that is what you are going to do. You light the candle. Yes, the second day in the morning, early in the morning, before you say a single word to anyone, pack all the salt and you put it in the water. You understand? Put the salt in the water and you use the water to bathe every part of your body before you say a single word to anyone. Are you with me? Clean the symbol. You understand? Clean it. You can use water to clean it. But the salt is what you need. Pack the salt and put in the water. Use it to bathe. Believe me, that very day, you surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow my instruction and you apply your faith, because your faith is highly needed. So if you have anything to ask me, feel free to comment under this video or you call me on 070-3742-2552. So that is what you need. Have you seen the symbol? Put the candle at the four corner of the symbol. Put salt at the middle of the symbol and you light the candle. Allow it to burn out completely. Keep saying your intention. Keep saying your intention. I didn't ask you to sit down with the candle till it burn down finish. No. You can say your intention. Don't know how you pray. You understand? Pray the way you always do. Say all your intention and you light the candle. You understand? Leave the candle till the second day. So that is why you need to burn it on the floor. Don't burn it on the wood, please. And don't burn it on the rug. Are you with me? So in the morning, before you say a single word to anyone, pack all the salt and you put it in the water. Use to bathe every part of your body. By the grace of Almighty God, you surely send me a good testimony. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. If you love this video, please remember to like this video. You comment. As you comment, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much.
Iwájú ṣáni tí tàwa Ọlọ́run ló dé wá láyé ṣe bóun lóhun tó ṣológun ló wà lẹ́ṣà ẹgbẹ́ wa ò ní tú o. Alright, èèyàn mi ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sọ́dọ̀ Dr. Mutiu Táíwò Ọlátìgbóyè yìí pírẹsidẹ̀ntì ti yá ní èjì rẹ̀ o wíríwírí lójú orogún